Liquid nitrogen cylinders on telephone poles are used to maintain a dry environment inside the protective housing where delicate and sensitive telephone equipment is stored. Telephone equipment is susceptible to damage from moisture and condensation. Liquid nitrogen is extremely cold, with a boiling point of -196 degrees Celsius or -321 degrees Fahrenheit. When released into the protective housing, it rapidly vaporizes, creating a cold and dry atmosphere. The cold nitrogen vapor creates a vapor barrier, preventing outside moisture from entering the housing. This is particularly important in areas with high humidity or fluctuating temperatures. The cold, dry atmosphere inside the housing prevents condensation from forming on the equipment. Condensation can cause electrical malfunctions, corrosion, and other damage. In some cases, liquid nitrogen can also be used to pressurize the protective housing. This helps to prevent moisture and dust from entering through any small cracks or openings. Liquid nitrogen cylinders are commonly used in telephone poles in remote or isolated areas where reliable power is not available. Liquid nitrogen can provide a temporary solution for moisture control. They are also commonly used in areas with high humidity, such as coastlines, tropical regions, or areas with frequent storms. They are furthermore used with equipment with sensitive electronics such as optical fibers, multiplexing equipment, or other specialized telecommunications components. The liquid nitrogen cylinders require regular maintenance, including refilling. When the cylinders are empty, they must be refilled with liquid nitrogen. The temperature and pressure inside the protective housing should be monitored to ensure optimal performance. Liquid nitrogen is extremely cold and can cause frostbite or burns if handled improperly. Trained personnel should handle the cylinders and maintenance.